It is great to see you all again at Prosperous Coins. Beware, Shiba Inu owners, an earthquake worth $2.8 billion is on the horizon. Breaking it down, the 7-day performance of Shiba Inu, a prominent Ethereum-based meme coin, saw a precipitous 9% drop. The SHIB community was rattled by this. According to a Twitter account that keeps followers up to date on SHIB token burns, the number of tokens burnt in August alone was 3,744,343. Caution is the topic of discussion in this video. Fearing a $2.8 billion quake, Shiba Inu owners readied themselves. Breaking it down. If you want to see more videos like this one, where we predict and analyze the prices of Shiba Inu, be sure to subscribe to our channel, share the video, and give it a thumbs up. We will start the video without further ado. On September 4th, let's check out what Shiba Inu is up to. The $0.01217 mark went from resistance to immediate support for SHIB after a classic rectangular bottom setup. A pattern breakout towards the baseline of its Bollinger Bands was observed by SHIB as buyers found rebounding grounds at this support level. The meme coin could be set for a protracted upswing in the upcoming sessions if it closes above this line. Following more than 2 months of sideways movement, SHIB bulls have shown a slow but steady increase in force. Rectangle breakout from last month shows that buyers kept stepping up their underlying pressure. The purchasing power recovered at the $0.01217 level to cause a breakout rally, even though there was a 3-week falling wedge slump. The 20 EMA is still moving higher than the 50 EMA, thus the bulls are trying to keep their advantage. A possible invalidation could be indicated by any bearish crosses. A period of minimal volatility may be ahead for the SHIB as the upper and lower bands of the BB approach each other. Possible recovery gateways in the $0.0134 to $0.0138 range can be unlocked if prices rise beyond the $0.0129 region's basis line. A bearish rebound would be confirmed, and a persistent downturn might be hinted at by any decline below the $0.01217 baseline. A small increase in buying power was observed in the relative strength index after it just broke through the midline. Nevertheless, in order to profit from the current breakout, investors need aim for a regular closing above the 50 mark. In a bullish divergence with price activity, the CMF's lower trues also diverged. Persistent gains over the -0.12 level would validate the bullish inclination. Despite the ADX being in a decline over the past many weeks, this has occurred. Lastly, the altcoin is 49% correlated with Bitcoin over the past 30 days, thus monitoring Bitcoin's movement in connection to market sentiment could be crucial for spotting bullish invalidations. Right now, the cryptocurrency market is experiencing a lot of activity, and it appears like long-forgotten coins are making a triumphant return. A millionaire with strong views on the current state of the cryptocurrency industry, Elon Musk, has been outspoken regarding Shiba Inu. In this bad market, nobody can fathom why Shiba Inu is the greatest meme coin to put their money into. The name Oshiverse has been announced for the Shiba Inu metaverse. From what we can see, Shiba Inu are responding to consumer needs at a rate that exceeds expectations. The creators of Shiba Inu naturally want to provide their loyal audience with something fresh, especially with all the projects that have been announced or are already in use. You might say it's one of Twitter's most popular coins. The social media site has proven time and time again that it controls the flow of information and has a significant impact on the opinions of crypto enthusiasts who are trying to decide whether to invest in a new intriguing coin or learn more about an existing coin that is consistently trending. It didn't take long for everyone to notice the Shiba Inu coin that Ryoichi had presented with the instantly identifiable puppy as a trademark. Many individuals want to buy it because it is a meme currency. The first thing that comes to mind when someone hears the name Shiba Inu is probably a coin, not the breed you're describing. What this demonstrates about people's interest in cryptocurrencies is quite telling. People pay close attention to every new currency that comes out. The ability to trade for fiat currency or even Bitcoin is only one of the many advantages of holding Shiba Inu coins. The purchasing price of one of the biggest Shiba Inu whales reached $22 million after it had added over 2 trillion SHIB to its balance. With over $319 million worth of SHIB tokens on its balance, this wallet is the 6th largest Shiba Inu wallet, and it was done in under 24 hours according to data. In the Shiba Inu community, large transactions like these are common, but people usually look askance at them because of their size. The fact that nobody knows who owns this wallet has caused a lot of controversy. Some have hypothesized that it may be the property of an individual investor or a team wallet. However, countless of investors' funds could be sitting in one wallet if it's an exchange wallet. We also keep tabs on other big Shiba Inu investors. They have been among the most vocal advocates for the meme coin, and the majority of them are also Ethereum whales. Investing in SHIB decreased by almost 85% in 2018, with a total value of around $152 billion, down from over $1 billion the previous year. The biggest Ethereum whales saw a decline in the monetary worth of their SHIB holdings last year. Okay, so the whales have sold some tokens, which has contributed to the decrease, but the slump has also hurt their stocks. Shiba Inu, according to Masari's data, has fallen more than 85% from its all-time high and is now the 13th biggest cryptocurrency by market valuation. The majority of its backers had purchased the cryptocurrency during its bull run. Consequently, overall profitability has plummeted. Sunday saw a 9% increase in SHIB pricing, reaching 0.000000134 USD. However, by the end of the day, the majority of these gains had been distributed among the meme coin. Shiba Inu investors have been hit particularly hard by the bear market and the fact that their dogs can't hold their worth. The SHIB burn protocol offered optimism for better days, but the data showed otherwise. Market capitalization for SHIB was $6,725,682,032 as of the writing, with a price of $0.0000006. Despite SHIB's recent price movements, developers are doing everything they can to improve the burn policy, which is great news. Those that are in it for the long haul can take this as a good omen. The goal of the burn procedure was to raise the token's value. The positive impact of this development could be seen on SHIB's daily chart, which was predominantly red when this was being reported. In addition to the burn technique, the creators of SHIB released a blog post last week detailing significant modifications to the discuss SHIB metaverse. After the announcement on the third floor, the developers reportedly set out to build the metaverse's foundation. The developer mentioned that this basic structure is a result of a collaboration of members who would strive for an immersive experience that is befitting the Shiba Inu community. With these advancements, SHIB can perhaps reach the moon as well. The realized value ratio of SHIB's market value fell towards the end of August, but now it's starting to rise a little. So a price increase is probably in the horizon. Additionally, there was a little increase in exchange outflow, which lends credence to the idea that prices would surge soon. Numerous market indications, in addition to on-chain data and ecosystem updates, pointed to an imminent price spike. Two indicators that could point to an increase are the moving average convergence divergence and the exponential moving average ribbon. A bullish crossover was seen in the first indicator, while a narrowing of the gap between the 20-day and 55-day exponential moving averages was seen in the 5-second. Also, the price of SHIB was shown to be in a squeeze zone by the Bollinger Bands, which raised the likelihood of a breakout. It is possible that SHIB would display a higher movement in the next days, given all the network advancements and market indications. We are finished for the day. If you enjoyed this and want to see more, subscribe to the channel and give it a big thumbs up.